Hey guys, so today I am installing permanent lights on my house. Never done this before, and I got an app and it's free, and you can change the colors of it, and I got 500 feet of it. I'm going to start on one end. Alright, so they say to use alcohol and clean off, and then because it is so cold out, we're going to use a heat gun. Warm it up so that it sticks on there. And I have a bag of tiny screws. I'm going to screw it in. So what they say is under the soffit about 4 to 5 inches out. So I'm going to go get a piece of cardboard like 5 inches and then use that as a guide. Well, I have put 3 lights up, screwed them in, used this as a guide, and my hands are frozen, so I'm going to go warm up and come out, and we'll start in a couple minutes. It's going to be a while. So I mark where it is and I clean it, and now I'm going to use my heat gun and warm that spot up. This is going swimmingly so far. So I've done one side already, kind of figured it out. Now I'm going to go up, over, back, down, over, and up and down over by the garage. So it's chilly outside. I'm cleaning it with alcohol. Let's see what I want to do. Then I'm using this as a guide. So day 2, or I should say in like a week and a half, it's a nice day. I ordered some of these off of Amazon. I didn't know that what they were, but instead of sticking it onto the soffit, we just screw it in, click it in, screw it in with this. And it is a ton faster. So here we go. Okay, so instead of heating it up, peeling this off, letting it stick for like 10-12 seconds, and then screwing it with a little tiny screw right there, what we're going to do is we're going to use this little plastic thing. And this right here, the cutouts are for the wire. It snaps right in, like that. And then use a screw gun and screw it in both sides, and that is going to be permanent.